All right, listen up. Some kids literally just made over $100,000 streaming on Pump.fun. Yeah, you heard that right. Six figures just by going live with their own coin. And in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how this works, how you can launch your own coin, and how you can start streaming on Pump.fun right now. So first, let's talk about proof. There is this group called Backwork, and in just a couple of days, their stream plus their coin pulled in over $180,000 plus. But it's not just the big ones. Projects like Kindness Coin are also gaining traction, showing that even smaller communities can grow just by streaming and building hype. That's the crazy part. This isn't just for famous influencers. Anyone can launch a coin, go live, and start earning. Here is the difference between Pump.fun and every other platform. On Twitch, you grind for months, maybe years before you make anything. On YouTube, you need thousands of subs before you can even monetize. On Pump.fun, you launch your coin today, go live, and literally start earning the same day. Every single trade of your coin generates fees, and those fees go straight to you. So basically, the more hype you create, the more people buy and sell your coin, the more money you make. So actually, the attention equals income. Okay, so let's break down how actually to get started. So step one, set up your Solana wallet. Most people use Phantom, so download it, set it up, put some Sol in there for gas, and you're good to go. That's your connection to Pump.fun. And now it's time to actually create a coin. And you know what? I'm going to create my own coin just for fun, and I'll even try to streaming it with to see how it goes. I'll drop the link in the description, so if you want to check it out and support the channel, that will be awesome. So yeah, let's get started. So on the Pump.fun homepage, hit create coin. You'll just need to fill out a few details. So let's choose my coin name, something that fits your brand or vibe. So for my example, this will be Web3 Planet. Then we can add ticker symbol short, 3-5 letters works best. So probably I will choose W3P. Then you need to upload an image or logo. So I will upload my logo that I created, and then you need to link your socials if you want to. And to launch the token, you actually, as I said, need some Sol for fees. So you can actually create your token with 0.01 Sol. So I will launch my token with this Sol amount. And after that, you hit just button launch. And basically that's it. Your token is live. No coding, no big cost, super simple. And now you have your own crypto coin. And here is the key. Having a coin is what actually allows you to stream on Pump.fun. That's how Backwork did it, and that's how Kindness Coin is building their community right now. And now let's talk about how to stream. So go to your coin page and hit start live stream. Pump.fun gives you an RTMP link and a stream key. If you streamed with OBS or Streamlabs before, you already know what to do. Just drop the RTMP link and key in, set your stream title, and hit go live. And that's it. You are live on Pump.fun. Your viewers can watch your stream and trade your coin at the same time. So yeah, guys, if you don't know how to connect your OBS, there's plenty of videos on YouTube, so definitely check those out. And actually right now, let's talk about the money, because I know that's what you are really here for. On Twitch, you need subs. On YouTube, you are relying on ads, and both of those are slow. On Pump.fun, you are earning straight from trading fees. The more your coin moves, the more rewards flows back to you. That's how Backward pulled in over $180,000. Their stream created hype, people started trading their coin, and these fees stacked up fast. And for other examples like Kindness Coin, it proves you don't need to be a massive streamer. You just need to get started and build a community around you with the token. Because with Kindness Coin, actually, this guy gives away what he earns. And this is just a snowball effect. Everybody is happy. He gets a lot of views. He gets a lot of hype. And people also in smaller accounts get to be recognized. But here is the thing. This won't stay wide open forever. Every platform eventually gets crowded. Twitch did, YouTube did, and Pump.fun will too. But right now, it's still early. If you jump in today, you've got a real shot at standing out. And if you are a smaller streamer who feels stuck on other platforms, this could be your way to finally break through. So I will give you a couple of strategy tips. So what do you stream? Honestly, anything. Gaming, trading, music, IRL, just chatting, doesn't matter. What matters is grabbing attention because attention drives trading and trading drives your rewards. Be consistent so people know when to tune in. Talk to your chat. The more engagement, the more hype. Build your coin as a brand. Make people want to be a part of it. That's the simple formula, guys. So, yeah, let's recap real quick. First of all, get a wallet. Second of all, launch your coin. Thirdly, go live on Pump.fun. Fourthly, earn rewards directly from trading activity. Simple as that. So, yeah, all the creators show that this is really, really possible. And now it's your turn to decide if you are gonna sit on the sidelines or launch your own coin and start streaming. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, make sure you subscribe, and drop a comment if you are planning to launch your own coin. This is the new streaming meta. Don't wait until it's saturated. Start now. So yeah, guys, again, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.